Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing Kit for Workflows from the Level Up Marketplace. Supercharge your automation with Kit for Workflows. Easily connect apps, streamline processes, and eliminate repetitive tasks, all in one powerful tool. With seamless integrations and smart triggers, you can boost efficiency and keep your workflows running smoothly. Optimize your operations with Kit for Workflows today. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.